Start by browning 2 slices of pork sausage in a non-stick skillet. When your sausage is almost fully cooked, go ahead and add in your red onion and jalapeno. Keep in mind if you want to use white or yellow onion, that's totally fine. I just prefer red, it's a little bit milder. Saute this up for a couple minutes until your sausage is fully cooked and your onions are fully caramelized. Scramble 3 eggs, add a couple dashes of salt, pepper, and then the secret ingredient, paprika. Mix this into your egg batter, and then just go ahead and pour it over your sausage, onion, and green pepper. You're going to let this cook on medium heat for a couple minutes. What I'm doing here is just lifting up on 4 sides of the pan and tilting the pan, kind of letting that, basically the raw batter just run underneath the egg, make it a little bit thicker, make it easier to flip later on. You'll see in a little bit though that my efforts were in vain. I botched up the flip, which happens sometimes. When you go for the flip, you make it or break it. Unfortunately, I broke it, but if this happens, don't worry about it. You can just do your best to piece it together. You'll see here, that's what I did. If it's worse than that, you can just kind of scramble it a bit, because in a little bit we're going to add some cheese and that'll glue everything together. So I have a half a cup of blended cheese here. You're going to put a 1/4 cup on top of the egg and top it with a tortilla, and you'll let this cook for just a minute or two. Of course, I sped this video up for just watching purposes to make it shorter. As you can see, I used a plate there to flip it. That just makes it a lot easier. Gonna add the rest of the cheese there. Once again, that was like just a half a cup total, 1/4 cup on each side. And you can use whatever types of cheeses you want. I used cheddar, Monterey Jack, and mozzarella. But, I've been known to use like American, Havarti, provolone, so sky's the limit. Gonna use the plate technique one more time to flip it. Just be careful, make sure you put a lot of pressure on the plate. You can see there I kind of didn't get it covered on the skillet. So I hope you and your family enjoy this recipe. I love quesadillas, and I just thought that I would basically make a breakfast version. So I've been making this for years. And one more thing is, like, when you cook the tortilla, just do it for a minute on each side. You just want to get it nice and golden. You don't want to overcook it. Cutting it here with a pizza cutter. You can also do it with a knife. Pizza cutter works a little bit better. And anyway, hope you enjoy this video. If you have any suggestions on future cooking videos, be glad to hear it. Also too, always remember, if you're having company over, you could always class it up a notch and put a little cilantro garnishment there. And as always, serve it with your favorite sauce. Alright, cheers.